Welcome to our review of the top 10 best air fryer toaster ovens on the market. Let's dive into each model to help you find the perfect addition to your kitchen. Number 1. Emeril Lagasse 26QT Extra Large Air Fryer. The Emeril Lagasse 26QT Extra Large Air Fryer boasts a spacious interior and French doors for easy access. With its convection toaster oven capabilities, it can handle a variety of cooking tasks efficiently. Pros: extra large capacity, convenient French doors, versatile convection toaster oven. Cons: some users may find it bulky. Number 2. Ninja SP101 Digital Air Fry Countertop Oven. The Ninja SP101 Digital Air Fry Countertop Oven offers 8-in-1 functionality, including air frying, baking, and roasting. Its flip-up design allows for compact storage when not in use. Pros: multiple cooking functions, space-saving flip-up design. Cons: limited capacity compared to larger models. Number 3. Chefman Multifunctional Digital Air Fryer Plus Rotisserie. The Chefman Multifunctional Digital Air Fryer Plus Rotisserie is equipped with 17 touchscreen presets for easy cooking. Its rotisserie feature adds versatility to your meal options. Pros: wide range of preset options, rotisserie function for juicy meats. Cons: may take up significant counter space. Number 4. Cuisinart Air Fryer Plus Convection Toaster Oven, TOA 70. The Cuisinart Air Fryer Plus Convection Toaster Oven, TOA 70, offers 8-in-1 functionality, including baking, grilling, and broiling. Its stainless steel construction adds durability and style to your kitchen. Pros: multiple cooking options, sleek stainless steel design. Cons: higher price point compared to some other models. Number 5. Black & Decker Crisp and Bake Air Fryer Toaster Oven. The Black & Decker Crisp and Bake Air Fryer Toaster Oven provides efficient air frying with its powerful circulation system. Its compact size makes it suitable for smaller kitchens or countertops with limited space. Pros: powerful air frying capabilities, compact design for small kitchens. Cons: limited capacity compared to larger models. Number 6. Cuisinart Air Fryer Oven. The Cuisinart Air Fryer Oven features a 6QT basket and stainless steel construction for durability and easy cleaning. With 5 presets, it simplifies cooking while providing delicious results. Pros: stainless steel construction for durability, easy to use preset options. Cons: smaller capacity compared to some other models. Number 7. Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro, BOV900BSS. The Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro, BOV900BSS, offers precise temperature control and 13 cooking functions for versatile meal preparation. Its brushed stainless steel design adds a touch of elegance to any kitchen. Pros: precise temperature control, wide range of cooking functions. Cons: higher price point compared to other models. Number 8. NuWave Bravo Air Fryer Toaster Smart Oven. The NuWave Bravo Air Fryer Toaster Smart Oven features 12-in-1 functionality and a spacious 30QT capacity. With temperature control ranging from 50 degrees Fahrenheit to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. It offers precise cooking for a variety of recipes. Pros: spacious 30QT capacity, wide temperature range for precise cooking. Cons: may be larger than necessary for some kitchens. Number 9. Hamilton Beach Sure Crisp Toaster Oven Air Fryer Combo. The Hamilton Beach Sure Crisp Toaster Oven Air Fryer Combo offers a compact design with powerful circulation for crispy results. With its auto shutoff feature, it provides peace of mind during cooking. Pros: compact design, auto shutoff for safety. Cons: limited capacity for larger meals. Number 10. Gourmet Toaster Oven Air Fryer Combo. The Gourmet Toaster Oven Air Fryer Combo features 17 cooking presets and a spacious 24L capacity. Its French door design and digital interface make it easy to use and stylish in any kitchen. Pros: 17 cooking presets for versatility. Stylish French door design. Cons: may require more counter space due to its larger size. With these detailed overviews and pros and cons lists, you're equipped to make an informed decision on the best air fryer toaster oven for your needs. Happy cooking!